we just did a digital discovery workshop where I zoom into the classroom and do a presentation for students in a school that's actually a few hours away from where we're located here at the Pacific Science Center.
Digital discovery workshops are 40-minute live virtual programs where students get to connect in real time with Pacific Science Center educators.
We can do a number of programs in one day to schools across the country or other organizations like libraries, boys and girls clubs. So it just gives more people more options to enjoy science programming.
So when you book a digital discovery workshop, you also get access to our teacher toolkit. And every teacher toolkit has an optional printable that you can use for students to follow along in real time during their live workshop. It also includes pre and post resources. So that's going to be things like activity guides, follow along activity videos, career videos, and our Lumio lessons.
For more information on digital discovery workshops and Lumio lessons, click the link in the description below.